Hello and welcome back to London Kitchen. In today's video we're going to see how to make this really simple tiramisu. Now let's see the ingredients. First we have 6 sponge fingers, then 250 grams of cream cheese, 85 grams of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of coffee granules, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. First, add the coffee granules to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Then stir until the coffee granules have dissolved. After the coffee granules have dissolved, add 50 ml of cold water and mix well, and set aside for later. Now to make the cream cheese filling, add 250 grams of cream cheese into a bowl, and 85 grams of sweetened condensed milk, and finally the vanilla essence. Now whisk this mixture in an electric whisk until it becomes smooth and reaches this consistency. Now take 3 sponge fingers and break them in half and soak them in coffee for around 30 seconds. Now to assemble the tiramisu, place the sponge fingers on the bottom of the glass. Then take the cream cheese mixture and put it on the top of the glass. Then repeat this for the other portion. Finally, sieve the cocoa powder over the tiramisu and keep it in the fridge for an hour to set. Now our tiramisu is done. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day.